Hello guys, welcome to the Backbenchers Classroom. In this video, I will show you how to design a simple and standard letterpad in Microsoft Word. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos like this. So let's get started. Before starting the design, let's remove the page margin first. For that, go to the custom margin and replace the every site value with 0 and then press OK. And ignore the warning message. Now select the page size as A4 if it's not selected. Now we can start the design. First we need to insert a rectangle shape and draw it over here like this. Now right click on the shape and click on edit point. Now click this point and reduce the height from this side. Okay. Now click on this point and by holding left mouse button, move this white point to make the curve. Now I will do the same on this side to make a proper shape by reducing the distance of white point. Now properly adjust the shape to cover the page from both sides. Let's set the color. First I will remove the outline color. Okay. Now from more color option, I will select the color. You can choose any color to make this template. Now insert a new shape and draw it at the bottom of the page like this. Okay, now remove the outline color and adjust the shape size. Now set the color. Now insert a line shape and place it on the top of the bottom shape. Now set the line outline color as white and increase its weight value to 4 point. Now cover up the gaps. Okay. Now I will insert a logo. So browse the logo and insert it. Now go to wrap text option and select in front of the text. Okay, now resize it and place at the position. Now let's insert an image for the watermark. Now change the shape layout as behind of the text. Okay, now increase the image size and change its align to middle and make it center. Now change its color to washout and then set the sharpness. So the design part is ready. Now I will add some text. To add the text, we need to insert a text box and draw it on the page like this. Now I will write a website name on this field. Now adjust the font size and then remove the shape outline color and shape fill color. Okay. Now change the text color as white. Okay. Now insert a logo for this website. Go to insert and browse your logo. Then select the logo and insert it. Now change its wrap text to in front of the text and place the logo properly and resize it. Now change the logo color as white. Now insert a text box and write down the contact number, email ID and address one by one. After adding the text, now go to insert and insert a line shape and draw it over here like this. Now change the color as white and set its weight value. Okay, that's it. So the design is completely ready.
Don't forget to like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.